it's Lauren. Welcome to our channel. So today I will be making a DIY skirt out of an old pair of denim jeans. So for this tutorial, the things you will need are thread. You can use blue or black or whatever color your jean is. I found that most of them are with black thread, but I will be doing mine with blue thread today because that's what I had. And then the next things you will need is a marker or a pen or some kind of tool you can use to mark where you want to cut it. You could even use just a pin and try it on and pin where you want to cut it. That's what I did. And then the last thing you will need is scissors to cut it, of course. And you can either hand sew it if you want, or you can use a sewing machine like me. So I pinned it right here because on my leg, this is about the length that I wanted it, but I'm actually going to cut it lower about here just so that I have much more room to work with. So once you pinned it or marked it where you want to fold it in half like so, just so that when you cut it across, it will cut very evenly. So this is how your jeans should look once you cut them, and as you can see, this is about the area you should cut them, and you want to cut it right under the seam. Now that we're done cutting, this is about how it's supposed to look. The bottom's supposed to be a little bit longer, so don't worry about it. After you finish cutting, you should turn it inside out, like mine, and you have to fold it a certain way when you cut it. So you want to grab the button in the front, in the back part, which normally has a belt strap, and just hold them together until you lay it flat. And this is about how it should look. Once it's folded like mine, you need to cut the sides to make it straight. And you know you folded it right if the pocket's on the left side. The next step to this project is pinning. Since both sides are now pinned, it's time to sew. So this is how the front should look once you finish sewing it, and now you just basically repeat the same steps but on the back side.